Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW X5M Competition versus Trackhawk, which is better. Start by focusing on acceleration numbers, handling balance, and real-world braking performance. Then assess interior ergonomics and cargo practicality. Pay attention to maintenance expectations and fuel economy differences when deciding which suits your driving style. I will use clear, comparative language and practical examples to help you choose between raw power and balanced performance in a daily driver. We begin by breaking down engine characteristics, turbo response, and gear ratios to show how each SUV delivers power. Note differences in 0 to 60 times, mid-range punch, and how transmission mapping affects launch behavior. I will explain suspension tuning trade-offs and steering feedback that change lap times and street feel. Listen for how weight and aerodynamics shape braking distances and cornering confidence to determine which performance profile matches your needs. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others discover this content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal well and stack neatly, perfect for fueling long drives and track days. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick one up if it helps your routine. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Now we cover real-world ownership considerations like fuel consumption, tire wear, and service intervals that influence long-term costs. Compare expected insurance premiums and resale trends to estimate total cost of ownership. I will highlight interior comfort differences, cargo space, and infotainment quirks that affect daily life. Use these practical comparisons to weigh whether track-focused upgrades are worth the trade-offs for your driving habits and budget planning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.